Take a couple breaths now. Inhale the good, exhale the bad. There's no time for negativity, only positive vibes, please. I call it how I see it. You can change the cover, but the pages still remain the same. Words rearranged. Time and time again I fell for it. More than I like to admit, yeah, more than I like to admit. Peace of mind takes time. Self-love, self-reassurance. Remember your worth, humble yourself. Let go of the bad, forgetting the past. Peace of mind takes time. Self-love, self-reassurance. I gotta remind myself, I know that I'm worth it. Even when I feel down, I know I have a purpose. Living through the struggle, going through the hardships, I know that I'm destined for more. I wanna look back in life and know I lived a life worth living for. Give my family what they deserve and more, so they know that I got you, I got you. Peace of mind takes time. Self-love, self-reassurance. Remember your worth, humble yourself. Let go of the bad, forgetting the past. I'll get back up when I have fallen. I'll be strong when you are not. Break down walls of the doubt in front of me. I see a sunrise where we could be.